We made a wish 2 years ago, and ever since, we've been working our tails off. And the final. Today, we're taking a real step towards our dreams, hitting the road for a visa appointment. We woke up bright and early, fed our furry friends, and hit the road. We tried to pick the best acceptance letter from the ones we received. We made up our minds and finished all the online stuff. Now, we are heading to Ankara to wrap up the visa process. So, which country and city are we gonna call home? Australia, Adelaide. Looks pretty calming and relaxing. As soon as we stepped foot in Ankara, we wanted to explore the city and hit up its popular spots. A great dining experience in Ankara. The appetizers here are on the house, and once you finish them, they bring you more, still on the house. You don't have to pay for anything except the main courses. And desserts? Yeah, they are free too.
Ankara holds a special place in my heart. I lived here for 7 years during my university education. I've got lots of memories here. Being together here and reminiscing about those memories was something truly special.
By the end of the day, we completed the visa application and our 5-year residency permits got approved. We were born and raised in this country, got our education here, and became who we are today. We truly love our country and owe a lot to it. We haven't forgotten who we should thank for all of this. I was accepted with a full scholarship for a PhD program at a university ranked in the top 100 globally, while the 4 universities I applied to in Turkey didn't even make it into the top 1,000. Now we are leaving the country. So, will the future be what we think it will be?